Hi, it's Wade Wyant here with Sunflower Lab with our continuing Chalktalk series. I'm going to do this one without the chalk, so to speak. So what I want to talk about today real briefly is IoT. And we've got a lot of customers and prospects that approach us, specifically small, medium manufacturers that are interested in the Internet of Things and the benefits that brings, but they might not be so comfortable with some of the use cases, or they just don't know where to start. I've got a few thoughts on that. Specifically speaking about manufacturing, one of the oldest and most tried and true use cases out there is predictive maintenance, right? So we have a lot of manufacturers that can really quantify, even down to the dollar, what the cost is for production down. It's an ongoing problem for all manufacturers. And how do you solve that? How do you get out in front of that? Well, with IoT and leveraging data on machines, you can start to predict when those machines are going to go down based on past history. So you've probably seen the IBM Watson ad out there where the service tech shows up and the guy in reception says, "We didn't order service." And he said, "Yeah, you're going to need service." And then Watson says, "I predict that this machine in the next few days is going to go down." So getting out in front of that and being able to keep a disruption level small on the production floor can mean cost savings of millions and millions of dollars in terms of revenue and productivity. So give us a call here at Sunflower. We'd love to talk through that use case and many others that are in the industry. And this has been your Chalk Talk for today.